What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video gonna learn how to create your product into your WooCommerce WordPress plugin, okay? So basically, in the case that you want to sell on WordPress, there is some plugins that you use, and the most famous and popular one is WooCommerce, okay? I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here for a video tutorial and playlist where I do explain how to install, how to customize, how to set up WooCommerce. But let's update and how to create a product on WooCommerce WordPress plugin, okay? Before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics, not just international sites favors. So let's get this started. I'm gonna assume that you already have installed and set up your WooCommerce store, okay? Payment gateways, and now you're gonna need to create products to start selling, okay? Now, go to WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, and hover your mouse over products, okay? It's a new custom post type that appears on your WordPress as soon as you install WooCommerce, okay? Hover your mouse over it and click on add new. Now we're going to be able to see this new field. I hope that this field changes some. And the first thing that you can do is click into this button right here. Toolbar toggle, okay? Shift Alt Z. This is going to show you more options to customize your products. Right here, you're going to be able to enter your description, okay? The description goes here. So the description goes here. You can apply images in the case that you want. You can apply links, okay? Right here, okay? Imagine that you would like to apply a link. Just copy the link, select the text, and enter a link to some important part. You can apply images by clicking on Add Media. You can upload files or select a previously uploaded media, just like this. You can customize the media size by clicking to this Edit button. Change the size from medium to large, for example, or to full size. Click on update and start doing this. Gonna be your product long description, okay? Now, if you scroll down just a little bit more, you're gonna be able to see the product short description, okay? Right here, you're gonna be the short description. Right here, I only recommend that you type content and do not apply images, but of course, it's up to you. We can roll up and click into preview option in order to review what is happening. Of course, it's on the upper right corner of our screen next to the update and publish buttons. And here what we have some image, the short description, the category, the long description, the image that we just have uploaded, and some related products from our store. Let's continue customizing, okay? Scroll it down just a little bit more. Of course, we can change the product data. Can be single product, grouped product, external affiliate product, or variable product. Variable product is a product that changes according to size, according to color, for example, okay? In this case, it's gonna be a single product. The price is gonna be $10. And it will not be on sale price, but we can apply a short sale, $9. It can be virtual or downloadable, okay? Virtual and downloadable, or physical. We can go to inventory. Your product must have an SKU, okay? We can track stock for the product from stock management. Imagine that you have a limited quantity of this product, so 20. Alloy back orders, up to you. Low stock threshold, okay, up to you as well. And sold individually, limit purchase for 1 item per order. Once again, up to you. Now let's explore the shipping. This is a very important part, okay? You need to enter of the product space and the shipping class, okay? This can be set later on your WooCommerce settings, okay? Still on WordPress left sidebar menus, under WooCommerce settings submenu, okay? We can apply some linked products for do upsells and cross sells. We have a video tutorial where I do explain how to do this, nothing to worry. We can apply some products attributes, okay, for example colors, for example sizes, for example other customizations. We have the advanced block, a purchase note, the menu order, and we can enable or disable reviews. Get more options in the case that you want. You can learn more about it right here, applying some WooCommerce add-ons, but we are already good to go. Let's preview once again. Now we already have the price, we have the quantity, how to apply the image, review the right sidebar of menus on my WordPress dashboard, okay. Right here we have the published dates, okay. We have the product image, we're gonna click right here and upload the product image. We can apply a product image gallery in the case that you want to share more images about your product, okay. It's recommended. We can create categories to categorize products. This is very important for store organization and product tags, okay? Up to you as well. Just like this. Now let's publish our product. I forget to enter the title. That is just the most important part. Let me fix this issue, okay? Once I did not enter the title, as you can see, the URL of my product, the permalink, it's quite bad, 240, okay? We need to change this. This is a more SEO friendly way, okay? The URL must have your product title, okay? Let me publish again. Let's review the results we got. And here is our product, our gallery. We have additional information now, okay? The dimensions and the weight. We have a reviews tab, and we have the description we enter. Simple, easy, and very, very effective. And now you have your product published on your WooCommerce WordPress store. Simple and fast. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Visualmodo borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg. Or Enzu WordPress theme, the best WordPress theme you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free. In addition, with our sites.gallery, that is a CSS gallery where you can promote your site, your app, your page, your landing page, your game designs. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your sites, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more features to create the site of our dreams. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!